Is it time to buy or sell RCAT Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore RCAT Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of October 28, 2024, our system has assigned RCAT Holdings a rating of Hold Accumulate, resulting in a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 214.05% since we first suggested purchasing RCAT Holdings just 21 days ago. This results in an average return of 10.19% per day since it was categorized as Hold Accumulate. A score of 0 reflects our system's prediction of significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next move, as it could shift in either direction. The stock has broken through a significantly strong upward trend, indicating an even more robust rate of increase. In the event of a pullback, there will be support at the roof of the current trend, which has been breached at $4.90. This level may present a second opportunity for substantial gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 119.53% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 18.55% to positive 11.95%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of about 715.65% over the next year, with possible returns between 117.23% and 259.80%. This translates to a price range of $20.88 to $34.58 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for RCAT Holdings includes the headline, Volatile Ride for RCAT Holdings, Inc. Stock price on Monday moving between $8.55 and $10.25. The RCAT Holdings Inc. stock price gained 7.13% on the last trading day Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, rising from $8.97 to $9.61. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 19.88%, from a low of $8.55 to a high of $10.25. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 156.27% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $129.61 million. It is important to consider that falling volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $10.25, and the lowest price was 52.5 cents. Currently, the price is 6.24%, or 64 cents, below the 52-week high, and 21.23%, or $2.59, below the all-time high on the 1st of August, 2019, when the price reached $12.20. RCAT Holdings, traded under the symbol RCAT, is gaining significant momentum following its selection for the United States Army's Short-Range Reconnaissance Program. This marks a pivotal moment for the company, positioning Red Cat's next-generation Teal system as a key player within the Army's program of record for small, unmanned aerial systems. The contract from the Army is projected to potentially add up to $79 million in revenue. This could dramatically shift RCAT's financial outlook, increasing its revenue expectations for fiscal year 2025 to between $50 and $55 million, well above last year's figure of $18.9 million. The announcement of an investor town hall signifies Red Cat's commitment to transparency and could attract more institutional interest, especially following its inclusion in the Russell Microcap Index, which has already resulted in a 100% increase in its share price. Additionally, contracts with international military organizations, such as the Royal Australian Navy, diversify its revenue streams and enhance its appeal to investors. In the short term, these developments could lead to heightened trading activity and price volatility as investors react to the news. In the long term, the successful execution of these contracts and achieving projected revenue goals could solidify RCAT's position in the drone technology sector, potentially driving sustained growth in its stock price. This combination of government contracts and increasing market visibility could make RCAT a compelling opportunity for both current and prospective investors. Analysts have assigned Red Cat Holdings stock a general sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell as well, along with the price-to-book ratio. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Red Cat Holdings. Red Cat Holdings Incorporated currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support is expected at $6.66 and $3.97. A drop below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 25th of October 2024, with the stock experiencing an increase of 257.25% thus far. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 160 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 22 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal, 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal, 118 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal, 172 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Red Cat Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.97 and $7.30. With no additional support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases. A drop below the support at $7.30 could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.70 between its high and low, amounting to a change of 19.88%. Over the past week, The stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 21.1%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Red Cat Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might signal a lack of profitability and the potential for bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 20th of December, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -8 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Red Cat Holdings. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, Red Cat Holdings encounters its first support level at $8.97. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Red Cat Holdings from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of November, 2024, Mattis George Michael conducted an insider sale of 1,763 shares of common stock. On the same day, Lunger Leah conducted an insider sale of 34,478 shares of common stock. On the 1st of September, 2024, Mattis George Michael made another insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock. On the 8th of August, 2024, Lunger Leah conducted an insider sale of 109,050 shares of common stock. On the 10th of August, 2024, Lunger Leah sold 24,585 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 58.905. In total, insiders purchased 6,090,847 shares and sold 1,283,556 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.36, reflecting a decline of 2.62%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 periods, is at 94, further amplifying this risk. However, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is Red Cat Holdings stock a good buy? Red Cat Holdings Inc. displays several positive indicators. However, these do not quite meet the criteria for a buy recommendation. At this point, it may be more prudent to consider it a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. After assessing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of November, we anticipate that Red Cat Holdings will open lower, declining by 14 cents, and start trading at $9.47. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.